What's true about building and nobody says out loud and won't admit to? I'll be vulnerable. It's terrifying. It's really scary, and it's frequently very lonely. We had a meeting with a customer, and we were showing, all the magical stuff that we do to automate compliance or whatever. And in the demo, we're showing the automation of the problem. And someone said to me in the demo, "Oh, is this how I prove that I'm compliant?" And what stood out to me in that moment was this person actually doesn't care about doing the job. They care about proving they did the job. And it was one of those really interesting moments of, they talk about listen to your customers. And you don't always listen to what they say. You try to find out what they mean by what they say.
And at the beginning, we thought that if we can do 50-60% of the work, developers will take it from there and finish. Same way developers work with coding agents today, where the coding agent gives you good code. It's not perfect. You still need to modify it. But we learned with tests, it must always be on, always be in the background and be 100% accurate. So we needed to shift how we engineer our systems. And we also needed AI models to be better, which today they are, in order to be able to deliver a fully autonomous testing suite that is accurate and provide high signal to noise ratio. Something that would have taken me months, but as part of a superset startup took us days, is getting customer feedbacks and figuring out the customer problems. Typically, if you sit in your garage, you need to talk to 10, 20 engineers, 5 CTOs. It takes time. You need to hit LinkedIn, message them, schedule, get on a call. But with Superset, you literally just walk around the office, and within a day or two, you did 20, 30 customer interviews, got your feedback.
A lot of people have these, frameworks that they use, like, oh, the ROI, the bang, the buck, and then the number is 2.6, and so you pick that one up next. The problem with that is the inputs to the decision are always very crude or coarse, and there's a lot of judgment calls that actually happen in your gut that kind of make the rank order list seem irrational when you go through the process. So I just don't automate it. There's a part of our product portfolio that relative to the rest just doesn't sell as well. An irrational actor looking at that data would say, cut your losses and focus on, where you do sell. I'm not inclined to do that, and we are not going to do that right now, because I do think that this is a bet that has, enterprise equity value that is going to come. And a lot of this role is speculation, right? It's art and it's science. Because if you only go on the data, most other people have the data too. They'll make the same decision. There's a betting element here, and I like to bet.
I think one thing that founders should do that traditional VCs would hate is be capital efficient, extend your runway, and iterate until you have a great product that customers love. And so cherish those early days to make sure you have a strong product market fit before you scale, hyperscale. A lot of people chase status. And I don't know if everyone wants to admit it, but I think it's true. And I do think it's a mistake. It's so hard and you walk around the clock. I think status doesn't hold when you think it's not going to work and you need very strong conviction about what you're building and really love it. So I would advise founders to focus on doing something that even if it fails, they'll be, okay, I still enjoyed it and this was worthwhile doing.